I guess he's in a hurry. Alright, you're in trouble now. Oh man. Give Paul a little lesson in momentum control. So amazing.
Poppy plants have to be 60% in the shade, right? And I mean, it's just kind of neat that there's all of this like literally right on the side of a cliff, and everything is picked and maintained by him. Aquí luego. So yeah, this is only walking trail there. Ah, beautiful San Juan. Like straight down. Amazing. All right, 1, 2, there, like you guys know each other. 1, 2, 3.
Nice. That was fun. Good job. Blow it up. That was good. That was good.